Australia, the land down under, offers a unique blend of history, diverse landscapes, and a vibrant culinary scene. Let's embark on a virtual exploration, delving into its rich past, mouthwatering cuisine, and the heart-pumping national sport. Indigenous Australia, stretching back over 65,000 years, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander cultures form the bedrock of Australian history. Their deep connection to the land and unique traditions continue to shape the nation's identity. European arrival. In 1788, the British established convict settlements, marking a period of significant change for the indigenous population. The legacy of colonization continues to be debated and addressed. Federation and beyond. In 1901, the 6 British colonies united to form the Commonwealth of Australia. The 20th and 21st centuries saw significant social, political, and cultural developments, making Australia a multicultural and diverse nation. Bush tucker. Indigenous Australians have long utilized native plants and animals for sustenance. Today, bush tucker experiences allow you to savor unique flavors like kangaroo, witchetty grubs, and damper bread. Multicultural fusion. Australia's immigrant waves have brought a kaleidoscope of culinary influences. Italian fare like pizza and pasta, Greek souvlaki, Vietnamese pho, and Indian curries are now staples. Fresh and local. Australians value fresh, seasonal produce. From succulent seafood to juicy steaks, enjoy the bounty of the land and sea at farmers markets and acclaimed restaurants. Street food delights. Don't miss iconic street eats like the humble but beloved sausage roll, savory meat pies, and the sweet and fluffy fairy bread. Vegetarian and vegan options are increasingly available. Australian rules football, nicknamed Aussie rules or footy, this fast-paced, high-contact sport is deeply ingrained in Australian culture. Witness the electrifying atmosphere at a live game. Diverse landscapes. From the sun-drenched beaches of the East Coast to the rugged outback interior, Australia boasts stunning natural beauty. Explore rainforests, ancient rock formations, and the iconic Great Barrier Reef. Unique wildlife. Encounter koalas, kangaroos, emus, and other fascinating creatures unique to Australia. Vibrant culture. Dive into the diverse art scene, explore Indigenous art galleries, and attend lively festivals throughout the year. Planning your trip. Consider your interests, choose your destinations, research travel restrictions and visa requirements. Plan your itinerary based on your budget and travel style. Bon voyage and enjoy your exploration of Australia.